Morning children, today we will learn how to create a texture on a paper with the help of colors. So first of all what I am doing is I am putting masking tape around the paper, and if you don't have masking tape you can use normal cello tape around the paper, and you can divide it with the help of the same tape the paper into 3 parts. So have a look how I am doing. In the same way you will also repeat it. First of all you will wet the paper with the help of brush. You will take some water and you will apply it on the surface of the first portion, and the first portion we will start coloring with blue color, and you can take the color of your choice also. See, I am giving the shade somewhere light, somewhere dark, and I am simultaneously taking the water also in my brush. So also take the water, and remember the portion should be wet enough to apply any texture. See, I am just putting here dark blue color to give the effect of dark and light shades. In the same way you can also select any 2 colors, and somewhere light, somewhere dark, you can apply it in the same way. Now I am taking a soft transparent polythene and I am putting it over a wet surface, giving some effect of lines. So we will leave it to dry and we will apply colors on the next portion. In the same way, light and dark shades you have to take of your choice and apply it in the same way as I am applying it in the video. And after that, you don't forget to take the water. Actually the water plays a very important role in creating textures. So take 2 colors or 3 colors, whatever you feel like to take, and you apply it on the second portion. The color in the second portion, we will create a texture by pouring some salt over it. Remember, the surface should be completely wet, otherwise texture will not be created. So I am just putting some salt in the second portion. In third portion also same way, I have taken 2 colors, and it should be wet again, I am reminding you. And here I am putting some rice over the wet surface of the third portion, and we all have to wait for the paper to be dried up completely. Now after seeing that now it is dried up, we will remove the material carefully from the surface, and be careful in that, and see the texture over it. And this texture you can use in decorating your file covers, and there are greeting cards you can. And after the drying of the paper, we will remove the tape very carefully. We will learn how to create a texture on a paper with different type of materials. Here I have again applied the masking tape around the paper and divided it into 3 parts. But here I am coloring all the 3 parts in the same way, and I will let it dry. In the previous paper we have not let the paper dried up and we have applied the material in the wet surface. But now here what are we doing? We are letting it dry, and after the surface is dried up we will apply material. What type of material I will tell you. So the 3 parts I have colored here with different colors, yellow, blue and green, and you can take the color of your choice. Okay, Now children, I am teaching you how to create a stencils out of the vegetables. I have taken here a potato and I have cut it into two parts, and one part I have taken it and I am just cutting out the triangle shape. See, I will mark a triangle on a potato and rest of the sides I will remove. So the prominent design will be of triangle. Okay, now see, you can see the triangle is prominent and I have removed the excess potato. In the same way you can take onion also, half onion. Now first portion I am taking a bottle cap, a small bottle cap, and I will dip it into the color, red color, and I will create a texture of bubbles here. All the edges like that. See, I have put it and bubbles effect is coming up. Now in the second portion I am going to use the stencils of triangle here. I have applied here dark blue color over it, and I am just putting it on the second portion, and the texture of triangle is coming up. It can be any shape, triangle, circular, or square, star. You can create any shape out of this. And in the third portion I have taken a natural leaf and I am putting the green color, dark green color over it from the back side where the veins are visible. Now I will put it on the third portion and press the leaf. See that the leaf impression is coming up on the surface. So this is the third pattern. In the same way you can also create the texture with the colors. Thank you so much children.